A circular ring and two wires AC and BC are joined as shown in the figure. If all the wires have resistance lambda ohm per meter, find equivalent resistance across A and B. So we have to find the equivalent resistance between the points A and B. So between the points A, B. Now one path is A, C, B. So from A, one path is A, C, B. Let's say this is the point C and C to B. And another path is through this one, that is directly from A to B, directly from A to B, and another path is through the path 2, A to B. So A and B are connected via path 2 also, that is A to B. So this is for path 1 and this is for path 2. Now put the resistances here. So for the path AC is the, let's say R is the radius. So R ohm is the radius, that is AC has a resistance R. Lambda is the resistance per unit length. So for length R there is R lambda, and also this is same, that is R lambda. Now for the path 1, it is 1/4 of 2 pi r. So AB is equal to the length AB via path 1 is 1/4 of 2 pi r, 1/4 of 2 pi r, that is pi by 2 r. So the resistance is pi by 2 r lambda, and the path AB via 2, that is AB via 2 is 3/4 of 2 pi r. The length is AB length is 3/4 of 2 pi r, that is 3 by 2 pi r. So the length is 3 by 2 pi r, and the resistance is lambda is the resistance per unit length, that is the 3 by 2 pi r lambda. Now these two r lambda and r lambda are in series, so the total equivalent is twice r lambda of the path ACB. Now twice r lambda, pi by 2 r lambda, and 3 by 2 pi r lambda all are in parallel. So the total equivalent resistance 1 by r equivalent is equal to 1 by 2 r lambda plus 1 by pi by 2 r lambda plus 1 by 3 pi by 2 r lambda. So the LCM, if we take the LCM, it will become pi r lambda into 6, that is 6 pi r lambda. So this is 3 pi plus 12 plus 4. So this becomes 3 pi plus 16, 3 pi plus 16 divided by 6 pi r lambda. So this is 1 by r equivalent. So r equivalent becomes 6 pi divided by 3 pi plus 16 r lambda, or we can write it as lambda r times 6 pi divided by 16 plus 3 pi. So here option 1 is the correct answer.